Alright, so ito na yung labas na portion. Okay, so today is like 1 month and 7 days. So 1 month and 1 week. So here's already the finished product. So yesterday, the construction workers already removed the scaffolding that is made up of wood and bamboo. Okay, so I'm gonna show you around. Okay, so ito na yung window. So, malaki siya. And then, this is the main door. Ayan. So, aakyat tayo. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo guys, rough finish pa lang siya. Okay, so this is the panel board. Ayan. So, this is another door. Ayan, maliit lang siya. So, yan ay gagamitin na door papunta sa likod. Okay, then, eto na yung magiging kwarto ko. Okay, so this is my room. So, as you can see, there are still cut marine plywood here. Ayan. So, it's a decent size of a bedroom with a big, not so big, medium-sized window. Ayan. And, kasi may stairs yan dyan. Okay, so this is my mini bathroom. Ayan, mini bathroom siya. So, I decided to have a bathroom here just to save the space that has been consumed by the stairs. Okay, so rough finish pa talaga siya. Sorry, sabi ko finish, like PF dapat yun. Okay, so akyat tayo. Let's go. So here's the stairs. Ayan. Bibilangan natin kung ilan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so ito yung walls. Ayan. Okay. So, it's still rough finish. So, plano ko dito, lalagyan siya ng, since ako ay mahilig sa mga verses sa Bible, and I have quite a few favorites verse in the Bible. This verses used to be my inspiration. Like, if I'm doing something, these verses keep me inspired and going during both the hard times and the good times. So, some of which na binabala kong ilagay dito sa wall, it's either ipa-carved ko siya or hanging na parang yung painting, but letters are being engraved there. So, would have been from the book of Psalms, Isaiah, Jeremiah, and things like that. Okay, yan. Para halimbawa, pag papasok ka dito sa, pag aakyat ka dito sa stairs, papasok sa second floor, ayan, going to your room, ay mababasa mo yun, and you get inspired. So, we're now approaching the second floor. So, ayan, halos tapos na yung rough finished niya. So, on Monday, the construction workers told me that they're going to do plaster finishing sa baba, that's sa loob at labas. Then, yung steelman ay gagawa na rin ng beam, and we're awaiting the materials for the roofings. Okay, so this is already the second floor. So, hindi naman siya kalakihan masyado. Ayan. So, this is the first room. Ayan. This will be the first room's door, and this will be the window. Okay, and meron siyang konting terrace. Ayan, and this will be the window, the rectangular window. Okay, so pasok tayo sa first room. Ayan, ayan siya. Alright, and dito, this will be the restroom. Ayan. Okay, so if you notice guys, yung mga materials nandito pa siya. Okay, kasi katatapos lang nila kahapon, Saturday. Okay, so we're now leaving the first room. Okay, so hala, paano tayo makakadaan dito? Ayan. Ito naman, this is the door of the second room. Ayan. Ano kaya ang gagawin ko? Alam ko na. So, dala-dala ko kasi yung bag ko. Ayan. Tapos, dito ako. Sisingit ako dito sa maliit. Ayan na. Okay, para-paraan lang yun guys. Ara. Okay. We're now on the second room. Ayan. Hindi ko lang siya maaangguluhan ng maayos. But if you compared the first room and the second room is quite bigger than the first one. Ayan. That's the window. Yung pinasukan ko, that's the door. So, malapad talaga siya. Malapad siya, guys. So, pwede ditong dalawang bed. Ayan. However, okay, so we're now approaching the restroom of this particular room. Medyo maliit lang yung ano niya, yung CR niya. That's the window. Ayan. So, babawi na lang sila sa laki ng room. Okay, and here's what's good sa second floor kasi meron silang sariling terrace. Okay, so ito, konting terrace niya. Mula dito sa kinakakatayo din. Ayan. Okay, medyo i-landscape ko siya. Ayan. Okay, so bukas to, tomorrow is Monday, they're going to start the plaster finishing downstairs. Samantalang yung mga steelman naman, they'll be doing the beam up here. So kahapon, nang binisitahan ko siya, like Saturday kasi kahapon, I don't have work. Binisitahan ko siya, no? Kasi day off ngayon ng mga workers natin. And I was like, I was really inspired and I was thanking God kasi kung hindi naman sa Kanya, I believe even the skills that we have, the money that we have, the connection that we have, and the resources that we have here on earth, and the success that we are having, those are not from us. Success is possible because God helped us. Like He provided us the right situation, the right people, the right working condition for us to achieve things or our goals in life. Medyo naiiyak ako. Wala lang kasi na-amaze lang ako sa mga blessings ni God sa akin na ayun, I really didn't imagine that by this age, bata pa naman ako, I'm just 28 years old, I don't have a family yet, single si ating, okay, I really can't imagine that at this point in my life, God would give me such perspective of preparing for the rainy days. Like, before having a family, you would be having your own house na. So, that's really a blessing. And for me, it's not my strength or abilities or yung konting naipon natin which made it possible. It was possible. It was made possible because God the Father and Jesus is great. Lord, ayan, salamat. Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. Cloudy. Oh no, nag-agaw yung cloudy na weather tsaka sunny. So, thank you Lord. If you're listening up there, salamat. This week din pala, pag dumating na yung mga materials sa roofing, ayan, ay, yan, magpaparoofing na tayo. So, ang gagamitin ko po ay, sa plano ng engineer, rafter, he will be utilizing rafter only. But, my mother, used to suggest that I'll be having it as steel trusses. So, steel trusses daw. Kasi, even though at first, you will be spending a lot, but eventually, in the long run, you will be saving a lot. Okay, so, ito pala yung bahay ng lola ko. Ayan. So, naka-front yan. So, andito lang ako sa likod. Yan ang bahay ng lola ko. So, that's made of mixed material. So, but, concrete and wood. So, according to our experience, yung wood, as the years go by, kinakain siya ng anay, pinapamahayan siya ng mga langgam, etc. etc. So, might as well use steel trusses. But the trick is, we should be insulating that since mainit nga naman ang panahon. Ayan, so, medyo mahaba na tong video guys. Wala pa nga pala akong hindi ko pa na-compile yung video ng before eto na tayo kasi nagawan ko siya ng video that this 2-story structure has been erected already. So ayan, next na yun na nagagawin ko. And then yung step by step din pala na ginawa, and then how much yung budget. Siya pala guys, siguro ang mga, so for 1 month and 1 week, lahat-lahat na yun, siguro ang nagastos ko na is mga 350,000. Parang mga ganun na, 350k yung nagastos ko na. So, yung incoming pa rin na materials na in-order ko is 6 na pintuan. So, I was able to order 6 wooden doors. So, made here also in our island. And then, wala pa sa mga windows. So, yun muna yung inuna ko. Okay, hopefully this week, even though this tropical depression Dodong has already entered the Philippine area of responsibility, I hope that God will give us a nice weather for this week so that the work will not be delayed and my construction workers will be accomplishing our targets this week. Okay, so thank you guys for your time watching this video. I hope I inspired you. Pasensya na ha, ayan, sinushow-around ko lang. I was able to inspire you that there's no limit for a person who has a dream and is rooted deeply, her foundation, his or her foundation is deeply rooted onto God, onto his or her faith to God. At syempre, always save, be thrifty, and be wise in money management. At hindi imposible na kahit bata ka pa, or kasi dito lang ako nagtatrabaho. So, I used to save lang. And then, ito, binigyan tayo ni God ng blessing. Thank you all for your time watching. Again, if you're new to my channel or your first time watching my video, please hit subscribe. So, ito lang muna yung mga nauna ko talaga na topic. Yung house construction. But in the next videos, we will be talking of a wide array of topics. So, I hope you are inspired today. Have a great day, everyone. God bless us all. Mwah.